Now, I explain the second assignment project. This is 8.6, generating employee salary statement in this format. Now, this is the salary statement. This is rupees per month, and basic salary of each employee is the input data. Thereafter, remaining all items should be calculated by your program. DA, dearness allowance, 50% of the basic, 50% of the basic. Thereafter, HRA, house rent allowance. House rent allowance is 10% of the basic plus DA, the sum of basic and DA, that is the HRA. Thereafter, conveyance allowance, CA. This is 1000 rupees fixed for all the employees. Then, thereafter, the sum of these four items will be the gross salary. Basic plus DA plus HRA plus CA is the gross salary. Actually, this is IT provision for income tax. Actually, this is applicable only when the gross salary per month is 15,000 or more. Then only 5% of the gross salary is deducted towards the income tax provision. Here only small explanation I have to give. This is not income tax, it is income tax provision for income tax. Actually, as a normal practice, if gross salary is certain amount or more and all that, certain percentage of the monthly salary is deducted by the employer and towards the income tax payment. So, by that, it never be a burden for an employee at the end of the year. Every month, some amount is deducted towards the income tax, and ultimately, at the end of the year, whatever provision they collected, they pay towards the income tax. Suppose they collected 12,000 rupees for an employee within 12 months, and the employee has to pay actually 15,000 rupees toward the income tax. Remaining 3,000 is collected from the last month's salary. Or otherwise, suppose he has to pay 12,000 rupees income tax and the provision collected is 15,000 rupees and all that. The remaining 3,000 is adjusted towards the next year provision. That's why income tax is different. Provision for income tax is different. That you have to understand. And for all the employees, it is not applicable. Whose gross salary is 15,000 or more per month, this is applicable. So, what is the net salary? So, gross salary minus the provision for income tax, if it is applicable, is the net salary. This is a simple table, and you have to write a Java object oriented program. For that purpose, in object oriented analysis, you have to identify the object. That is a crucial thing. Thereafter, all the Java conventions you should strictly follow, because if you don't follow conventions of Java, you have to pay price for that. Already explained to you. That's why strictly follow the norms, conventions, and write a readable program and a readable output.